Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your go-to place for turbocharging your tech life. If you've ever felt like your PC is lagging behind your speed of thought, you're not alone. Today we're diving into how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11 to make your computer faster than ever in 2024. So let's get those speed boosts with some quick and safe optimizations. Ready? Let's jump right in. First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. RAM cache is like your computer's short, storing bits of data for quick access. Over time, this cache can get cluttered, slowing down your PC. Clearing it out is like giving your brain a fresh start, and here's how to do it. Open your preferred browser, then type in RamMap and open the first link or the website. Now what you simply need to do is download RamMap. This is our official website, so you don't need to get worried about downloading. So you can simply click on download RamMap. Here your RamMap will be downloaded in a zip. Right click on the downloaded zip and click on show in folder. After that, your RamMap will be shown on the folder. Right click on it and tap on extract all. Now tap on extract. Now again right click on RamMap and tap on run as administrator. Click on yes. Then you need to click on agree. Now your RamMap will be opened. After the RamMap application is open, tap on the empty at the top and then select standby list. So here I'm gonna be keeping the RAM's cache. You can see I have here 79.6 MB. I emptied the cache by clicking on empty, then empty standby list, and it removed to 2.7 MB. And there you have it. This is how you clear your RAM cache and keeping your PC running smoothly.